Hi everyone, my name is Tandya, fashion and lifestyle blogger at simplytandya.com, and I'm super excited because today I'm sharing one of my favorite concentrates by Shiseido, the Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate. I like to use this serum every morning and night, after cleansing and before moisturizing. The Shiseido Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate improves the efficacy of both my cleanser and moisturizer. As you can see, the texture is super creamy and it's also fast absorbing on all skin types. When applying, I like to smooth it out and press it into my skin. My skin feels moisturized and hydrated immediately after. The Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate is a necessity in my skincare routine.